अभिवादन। आज मैं फ़िटनेस के बारे में बात करूंगी और साथ में हिंदी सीखने की कोशिश करूंगी। चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
क्या आप कोई इजी स्टेप्स कुछ आसान सलाह दे सकते हैं जो हर कोई फॉलो कर सकता है अपने हेल्थ को बेहतर बनाने के लिए?
यस, श्योर। एक्चुअली कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो हर कोई कर सकते हैं और जिसके करने में कोई एक्सपेंसेस नहीं होता। द फर्स्ट वन इज़ टू स्लीप फॉर मिनिमम ऑफ 7 to 8 hours. No matter what your fitness goals are, maybe you want to lose weight or build muscle, आप कितना भी एक्सरसाइज कीजिए, आप कितना भी अच्छा खाना खाइए, इफ़ यू आर नॉट स्लीपिंग इनफ तो आपका रिजल्ट्स नहीं दिखाएगा। तो सबसे ज़रूरी है टू स्लीप फॉर एटलीस्ट 7 hours. आई वॉन्ट टू ऐड, it does not matter whether you sleep at 1 p.m. or at 10 p.m. What everybody must ensure is to take 7 hours of sleep. तो अगर आप 1 बजे सोते हैं तो 9 या 10 बजे उठा उठिए।
उठिए। ओह, दैट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। मतलब रात को जल्दी सोना ज़रूरी नहीं है, ज़रूरी है कि आप 7 से 8 घंटे सोइए।
Yes, actually, some of us are night owls and some of us are morning larks, which means some of us sleep late and get up late while others sleep early and get up early. So, that is the cycle. The sleeping pattern your body has adapted. आप कभी भी सोइए, बस 7 से 8 घंटे सोना है।
अच्छा, एक चीज़ मुझे पूछनी थी। मैंने देखा है कुछ लोग पूरे हफ्ते काम करते हैं, कम सोते हैं और फिर सैटरडे संडे को ज़्यादा सोकर अपनी नींद को एक तरह से कॉम्पनसेट करते हैं। क्या ये काफ़ी है?
नो, दैट्स अ मिसकंसेप्शन कि आप हफ्ते में 1 और 2 दिन अच्छे से सोकर अच्छी हेल्थ गेन कर सकते हो। द थिंग इज़ हमारा बॉडी तो नहीं पता कि आज वीकेंड है और वीकडे है। यू नीड टू गिव इट अ गुड रेस्ट irrespective ऑफ what डे ऑफ वीक इट इज़। तो संडे हो या मंडे, यू शुड स्ट्राइव टू स्लीप फॉर अबाउट 7 to 8 hours. Did you know that sleep isn't just a luxury? It's a superpower. Imagine this: your body is like a high performance sports car. During the day, you're pushing it to the limit. But when you sleep, that's when the real magic happens. Sleep is your body's pit stop where it refuels, repairs, and fine tunes every system. It's not just about resting, it's about optimizing your brain for sharper focus, quicker reactions, and better decisions. Your muscle, they grow stronger as you sleep. Your immune system, it gears up to keep you in peak condition. Even your mood and mental health are on the line. Think of sleep as the ultimate recovery tool, like a reset button for your body and mind. Skimping on it, that's like trying to run a marathon without ever training. So, if you want to perform at your best, look good, feel great, and live longer, make sleep your non negotiable priority. Recharge, reboot, reignite your potential. That's the power of sleep.
अच्छा, ये हो गई पहली टिप। और कोई आसान और ज़रूरी टिप जो आप बता सकें?
Another thing is movement. Movement is crucial for our health. We tend to sit for long hours and to not move our bodies so much as we should. आप ऑफिस में 9 to 5 जॉब करते हैं and mostly you are sitting on the desk. Make a conscious effort to take a short break, even if it is just for 5 minutes, and do some stretches right on your chair. Try to use stairs instead of the elevators whenever possible. Take a walk when you are speaking to anyone over the phone. That way, you will end up giving some exercise to your body. I read this quote: move the body, rest the mind. This should be the mantra for all of us. Another thing is people feel exercise is to be done only in the gym or in the park. Effective only when it is done for a certain duration like 45 minutes or an hour. Exercise just for 10 minutes is beneficial. So much so, a lot of research shows that the moderate activity of just 150 minutes a week increases our lifespan for almost 5 years. This is the power of movement. Movement isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's the language of life. Every time you move, you're telling your body, I'm here, I'm alive. When we move, we're not just burning calories, we're fueling our bodies with life. Movement pumps oxygen to our muscles, strengthens our heart, and sharpens our minds. It's like hitting the refresh button on your health. Ever noticed how a walk can clear your mind? That's because movement releases endorphins, are natural mood boosters. It's like nature's way of saying, hey, let's reset and focus on what really matters, okay? Movement is empowerment. It's a daily reminder that we control our bodies, our energy, and our lives. Whether it's a simple stretch or a powerful workout, every movement is a step forward, becoming the best version of ourselves. Movement isn't just a physical act, it's a celebration of life. So, let's move, not because we have to, but because we can. Let's embrace the power of movement to unlock the full potential of our bodies and minds.
क्या बात है, दिस इज़ वेरी इंफॉर्मेटिव। बहुत अच्छी जानकारी दी है आपने। मुझे यकीन है आपके सुनने वालों को इससे बहुत मदद होगी। अच्छा, अब आखिरी कोई एक और सलाह, लेट्स से अनदर लास्ट टिप विच यू वुड लाइक टू गिव।
Another tip would be about nutrition. First, I would suggest not to follow any kind of short term diet. These days, we keep hearing about several kind of diets and they become a trend. But these temporary diets will give only temporary results. So, try to have a sustainable eating habit that becomes a part of your lifestyle. Just make sure you take care of the basics. For example, all of your meals should have veggies in the form of curry or salad. Try to have a good portion of protein, carbs, as well as fats in every meal. Restrict junk and processed food. You know, when it comes to fitness, we often think about the grind, the heavy lifts, the intense cardio, the sweat, and the burn. But let me tell you something crucial. What you eat is just as important as what you lift. Yup, you heard that right. Again, think of your body as a high performance car. You wouldn't put low grade fuel in a Ferrari, right? The same goes for your body. Nutrition is your fuel. It powers your workouts, speeds your recovery, and helps you build muscle while shedding fat. But here's the kicker, it's not just about eating healthy, it's about eating smart. Protein fuels your muscle growth, carbs gives you energy, and healthy fats keep everything running smoothly. And don't forget those micronutrients. They're the secret sauce to keeping your body functioning at its best. So, if you're serious about your fitness goals, remember this. What you do in the gym is only the half battle. The other half, it's right there on your plate. Eat well, train hard, and watch your body transform.
अच्छा, आपने बहुत अच्छे अच्छे टिप्स बताए हैं। अब एक काम करते हैं, इन सबको आप शॉर्ट में अगर हिंदी में बता सके द मेन पॉइंट्स को, तो आप एक जो भी आपने जो कहा है ना, ये 3 टिप्स, इसको हिंदी में बोलिए।
हाँ, मेरे पहले टिप है कि सबको कम से कम 7 से 8 घंटे सोना चाहिए.
हाँ, तो मेरी पहली टिप।
ओके, मेरी पहली टिप है आप सबको कम से कम 7 से 8 घंटा सोना चाहिए. दूसरी टिप है कि बॉडी को ऑफ्टन मूव करते रहिए कम टाइम के. दूसरा टिप है कि बॉडी को ऑफ्टन मूव करते रहिए कम टाइम के लिए, एटलीस्ट एक्सरसाइज कीजिए. एंड लास्ट टिप, अपने खाने में खूब सारा वेजीज प्रोटीन खाइए. मेरे ये वीडियो देखने के लिए आप सबका आभार. आई होप यू लाइक द वीडियो. स्टे हेल्दी एंड हैप्पी.
इसे हिंदी में कहते हैं, आप सब स्वस्थ और खुश रहें.
आप सब स्वस्थ और खुश रहें.